My name is Travis Clymer. I've worked at Tri-Aerospace in the machining department for a little over 1 year. When I got tired of the weather, I got tired of working outside, fighting the elements. So I figured a good, stable position in a factory would be suitable. First and foremost, mathematics. That's a very important one in this field. And then your basic lathe operations, milling operations, learning your M&G codes, that's very important. Seeing the metal transform from a basic forging to a multi-hundreds of thousands dollar part. You get to see the value being added to this part. It's a pretty neat process. Exactly what I just stated. Seeing some of the bigger parts that we make here, it can be pretty intimidating, especially for a guy that, just out of school. It can be quite challenging. We have a piece that's in process now that, upon completion, is going to be turning at 50,000 RPM. So the tolerances and the specs have to be nearly perfect, or else who knows what could happen. You've got to go to a good technical school. You have to get the basic skills needed, because every machine shop is going to be different no matter where you go. But you have to have those basic skills in order to have a successful career in a machine shop. Well, I come in, find out where the guy left me off from the previous shift, check all my dimensions, check the dimensions that he has cut, check my tool touch-offs or his tool touch-offs, read ahead in the program to find out where my tool is going to go on the part, to avoid any crashes or miscuts. And of course, I make my cuts, and I work, we work hand in hand with the quality department to make sure everything stays on track through the whole process. And then it goes the same for engineering. So there's a lot of time that we spend communicating between quality department and the engineering department to make sure that things are on track. And some of the parts that we run here, they don't take an 8-hour shift to run. Most of the time they take days or even weeks. There's a few parts that we have here that take months. So it's not a setup every day. It's come in and run and see how far you can get. I have one piece that's out here that I believe we started in December, I believe. So we still have it on our mill. Well, it's clean, but it's noisy. Climate controlled, which is a plus.